Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa: Lirrijali nasibum mimma tarakal walidani wal aqrabuna walin-nisa'i nasibum mimma tarakal walidani wal aqrabuna mimma qalla minhu aw kathur nasiban mafruḍa. Translation: For men there is a share from what their parents and close relatives leave, and for women there is a share from what is left by their parents and close relatives, whether that is a small or large property, a determined obligatory legal share. At the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, there was a custom that the girls or daughters, whether they are little or adult, they don't get any inheritance. They do not get any wealth left by their parents. Only men who were able to fight, meaning the big sons, will get the inheritance money, and the small brothers will not get any inheritance money, and the women will not get any inheritance money at all. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent this ayah in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clearly said that there is a share of all the sons and all the daughters of the person who is dying, and also the person who is dying, his close relatives will also get some share, even if they are not the sons or daughters. And we will inshallah study the details of that law of inheritance in the next ruku. These shares are fixed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so there cannot be any increase or decrease in the proportion of the shares that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has kept. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has safeguarded the rights and share of those who were weak in the society. Before Islam, there are people who talk about the rights of women in Islam should read and understand this ayah. Even in today's world, there are societies who have no rights of women in the inheritance. And in some societies, they don't distribute the inheritance at all, and in some inheritance distribution only limited to the men of the family. They do not give any share to the daughters or the wives. In our society, unfortunately, this disease is still present, especially if there are two wives of a person and the person dies. So whoever has the control of the wealth will try to get all the wealth, and they don't understand that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said clearly in Quran about the rights of all the kids of a person, and even the rights of the close relatives. And this is as important as doing the namaz and the salah, the siyam, and all the other faraiz of Islam. So those people who do not follow these commandments of Allah should understand that they will be asked about this, because this is as if they are not doing any other faraiz, meaning if they are not praying or not doing zakah or not doing hajj or not doing a siyam or fasting. But people pick and choose in Islam, which is a very dangerous attitude, and one must completely surrender himself to the will of Allah and should enter completely in Islam. Oh Allah, make us among those who enter 100% in Islam, and they do not pick and choose from the commandments of Allah. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.